Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to sign in eBay account. So if you also want to sign in eBay account, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So eBay is a global online marketplace that allows the users to buy and sell items. So if you also want to sign into your eBay account, it is actually very simple. For that, first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome. Now simply click on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now what you have to do is type in signin.ebay.com, press enter. Now after that, you can see over here, you'll be led to the official sign-in interface of eBay. From here, you'll be able to sign into your account. You can enter your email or username, or you can also continue with Google, continue with Facebook, or continue with Apple. Simply click on the option of your choice. Here, I'm just going to enter my email over here. So simply click on the field of email or username. Now enter your email or username over here. Now after you enter your email or username, what you have to do is click on the continue option that you can see on the screen. Now after that, you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. In this interface, what you have to do is enter your password. If you have forgotten your password, click on the option reset your password. After that, you'll be able to reset it. If you remember your password, simply enter your password over here. You can see over here, I've already entered it. Now after entering the password, what you have to do is click on the sign in option that you can see on the screen. Now after that, you can see over here, you'll be signed in to your account. So that is how you sign in eBay account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.